property owner has asked us to move this car for him. He said it's not supposed to be here. It has quite a bit of damage here on this front bumper that we don't want to get blamed for. Apparently it has a flat on the back. Just taking care of that so we can tow it. No one in it. Damage here. Here. There's dents. I told them they could get around us. They said, oh no, we're good. Oh shit, sorry. Just look at your stuff. Back right in front of the driveway, so we can't leave.
Just went in, so this would be the owner.
As we were loading up, these people came up and blocked the driveway. So, don't know.
Hey guys,
Hey, buddy.
it's the key fob for that car.
Oh. Well, that's awful handy.
Yeah, helps, don't it?
Yeah. Did they just leave it here?
What's that? It's my son's girlfriend's car.
Okay.
And I'm assuming you're repoing it?
Yeah, it'll go back to our shop, and then they'll
Yeah, so
so
they parked it over here because he was going to fix it and he was going to take care of it, but I guess the transmission's bad in it or something. They're notorious for that.
yeah, these are
So,
for sure.
and then I just like, get that shit out of here.
The bank will probably just come after it then again. Yeah,
I figured that key fob would probably help you.
It does. It helps us get them around, and if we got to turn the wheels and that sort of stuff. So we
I know
appreciate
that
it.
tire over there is flat.
Yeah, I swapped it to the
Oh,
front.
did you? Okay.
Yeah, so we could tow. I could put dollies under it. That saves me. If I just swap the tires, then
Yeah,
I don't have to.
definitely.
I don't have to dolly it. So
Yeah, but I told him, or I told my son earlier to get hold of his girlfriend and do something about this. I said, so did they call you and tell you to come get it? Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
yeah. Well, we'll get out of your hair. This driveway looks less than desirable, but I think we can make it down there.
All right, guys, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
All right, now
You too.
How are you?
Hello. I'm here for the Altima right there.
How you doing? Hey, man, how are you? Good.
No sticker.
That's kind of a. We just got. She just got here.
Yeah, just
And then up at the pool where we're supposed to park has the same sign.
I need the other half of
Yeah, the pool parking is the only place that you can park.
I know, but you see where the sign, there's that sign right where the
entrances to it.
office is, says the same thing.
Yeah, Macy.
And I do like Macy.
Yeah, she sends out all of the stuff.
I know, and I was really hoping that they would send a group message. You know what I'm saying? She usually does, exactly.
Yeah, all
but it
of
was a
the,
guy, it wasn't Macy.
Dylan.
Nope, it said to give with an A when I called the cops.
I know Macy handles a lot of.
She does, and I do like Macy. She's different.
I'll see you at the end of May.
Sorry, this is one way, right?
Yeah, no, he's fine. Yeah, I think he's probably. But yeah, you are the registered owner right here.
Yes, sir.
I got my driver's license and my insurance if you want to see the
Yeah,
match.
as long as you're trying to make sure your driver's license matches the registration.
Hey man, what's happening? Doing all right.
Good.
All right. Hey, have a good one, man.
I got the registration.
Yeah, I know, right?
Can you get out, sir?
Yeah, I can get out.
All
Yeah,
right.
I'm good.
I got the registration in the
Yeah,
car.
as long as yeah.
Okay.
I just need to make sure it matches. Yeah, the state's like better give the vehicle back to the right person or you're stroking.
I can understand that. I can understand that.
I have no problem.
Go back down there.
Yeah, that's kind of crazy. I know it's rough on some of the new people just moving in. You get a package with stickers.
Right.
And some people say, get a sticker on there, whatever. But they're like, yeah, they're really strict on because since the pool opened, especially because a lot of people will come and park, just use the pool, and then other people have a place to do it. Thank you so much for that.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've been there for
Sorry.
2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Well, you know about all the
I do, yeah.
crazy sticker stuff.
I do.
Yeah, you're. And it seems to be we get more phone calls for the lower lot. I guess it's
That's
farther
where-
to walk.
That's where we're at, yep.
Yeah, it's farther to walk for the clubhouse. I'm sorry, guys.
It's not your
okay.
fault.
No.
You're just doing your job.
Yeah.
You're good.
Yeah.
Yeah, but they do. They've got the cameras and stuff there too. So she knows.
Yeah, go park it.
Yeah.
Park at the pool.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you.
Yeah, like I said, hopefully this storm is
I know.
not going to get us. They say it's supposed to get kind of wild.
That's what they say, I know.
Yeah.
It is what it is.
All right. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
We gotta stop for the turtle. He is fast.
Turtle.
He's zooming, man.
Come here, baby. Go. Oh, ow, don't scratch me. Sorry, I'm putting her in the weeds. There you go. Go on, baby.
Oh yeah. Oh, take the pathway down. Okay. Not the road. Call in for Silver Bell. We had a van or a car up here that we had trouble with in the driveway, but we got a truck F-150. It says it's off the road. Hopefully, we can get up here to see what's going on. I see tail lights.
There he is.
And they're in the famous place. So yeah, right up here is where we got the car,
It's a hybrid.
and it was super hard. We couldn't get up there next to it to do anything.
Yeah, up there was where that car was. We might drive over there. It's up here. We pulled another truck out of this ditch about a year
Yeah,
ago.
that driveway's crazy right there. So in the daytime, you can really see.
That's when they said the van flipped off of it just a week before we got there.
There's a big ditch on my side, so.
Okay. We got plenty of room over here. I'll let you
You are not the only one that I've dug out of this one. Happens all the time right here. These people come flying down through here.
Well, see, the bad thing is, like, the guy even stopped to let me get by him too. And
it just bottoms out quick, man. That ravine right there is crazy.
And I didn't realize how deep it was, so I tried to go forward, and then I tried to go back, try to go forward again. I was hoping it didn't rip anything up.
Yeah, hopefully it didn't get any damage on there on the bottom side, but we'll get you up out of there, hopefully.
And this way. This way. I think he was. Yeah, it looks good. Looks good. He went in here.
Yeah. Yeah, so anytime, like if you're just on this stuff right here, you like set that emergency brake up, then put it into park. And it won't do that stuff for you. But I think it turned out pretty good. I don't see anything over
No,
here.
it looks fine. It looks
Like I
fine.
said, I think your plate just pushes into that.
I think it does too. That's how it looks.
Yeah, it just, it works out good just to pop that in there. I think it's just mud.
Like I was telling her, it's like that.
Yeah, I think
Yeah, I think it's fine.
Yeah, I don't think that'll know. I think it's,
I mean, I'll tell them. Just
yeah. I mean, I think it's just mud. I don't see anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say probably make a trip to the car wash and just rinse it off, and I'd say
I'll get them.
Okay.
yeah. These are pretty tough. I mean, that blacktop, believe it or not, is kind of soft on those. So usually it's just the control arms, and the control arms will have some scuffs on them. But it's so rolling into Gatlinburg here. It's super bad here tonight. We've got a parade that starts at midnight. They're starting to shut down roads for the parade. Of course, we called over here for some more illegal parks. Pigeon Forge has got a concert going on. Clint Black is over in Pigeon Forge, so it's a mess over there as well. We're gonna see if we can scoot in here and help our property owner out with his lot. His employees, of course, don't have a place to park. People coming to see the parade. This might be a tough one to get. Actually, you said there was two of them over here right now. One of them is a dually, and one of them is, I see the dually.
It looks like the other one's over there along the right side of the
No,
road.
the other one's right there. See, the tires are muddy still.
Oh, but big gray dually there and then a white one behind it.
Yeah.
Well, those will be fun. Churchill new sign. Hello. Sticker tag? Oh, okay. Well, we're taking that one first. Yeah. Yeah.
I'm going to ready to fish.
Oh, okay. Well, thank you. We appreciate that.
I haven't watched a lot.
Okay, thank you. We appreciate that.
Oh, no
We
problem.
figure it's probably going to be pretty crazy tonight.
Yeah, because they're already full over here, and I've watched about 7 or 8 cars trying to figure out where to park the last 30 minutes.
Yeah.
I figured there's going to be another one we can pick up by the time we got here to get these two.
Yeah, and then I imagine probably the church lot is probably insane too. So,
So far, I haven't seen the church light yet.
yeah, that's good. We usually just wait for them to call us and get whatever. So yeah, we appreciate any pictures you can send. That helps a lot.
Oh, no problem. It's sort of become a challenge to see who can find the most between me, Brady, and Big Brandon. So.
Well, we appreciate you. I'm gonna get a walk around of this thing so we don't get accused of hurting it.
He
really need to get some posts put in. I don't know.
Like some wooden posts?
Because those little metal ones, they're just running them over. Oh, I know. I feel that one back
Oh,
here.
please don't be any snakes in here.
Yeah, it's I've talked to this barn about it. See if they want to put some posts maybe for the corn. I don't know, some of those 4x4s or that might be better for him.
Oh,
Yeah, they just got out of the off-road park in this one.
I don't want to step on a snake. I have to check it for ticks after we get out of here.
I can't even get to that. See if I can do that just to get it up out of the weeds.
Listen, that back tire.
Oh, I know, it's going to be crazy.
Okay. See if I can walk around the other way. Yeah.
Where's the sign at?
It's there in the front of the parking lot.
In the front of the parking lot?
Yes. Yes, there's a sign there in the front of the gravel parking lot that says that, you know, it's employees. Are you still there?
The address, please.
Yeah, I'll text you the address, and you have to be the registered owner, and it's $300 in cash.
I don't have 300 in cash.
Okay.
I got a card.
There's some ATMs there in Gatlinburg. Sorry, we can only take cash.
I didn't tell you to tow my vehicle, so no, I'm not bringing. I'll bring a card to get my car.
No, I'm sorry, sir. We can only take cash for illegally
you
parked.
won't.
Well, I'm sorry.
We'll find out when I get there. How about that?
Okay, we'll do that.
And an explanation on our cash policy, again, is because credit card company, they will dispute the charges on illegal parks almost every time. So super busy holiday weekend, and that's what our policy is for those illegal parks. Hear that, YouTube? We'll find out when it gets there.
I can't wait.
Okay, I guess you're coming to pick up the vehicle then?
No, I'm coming to look at it.
Oh, okay. Yeah, we'll send over the address. How you don't have the address? How'd you get my phone number?
How do I? Because the phone number that I looked up.
Well, how did you look up a phone number if you didn't know who had the vehicle?
Look, motherfucker, I ain't having no smart motherfucking mouth from you tonight. I'm telling you that right now. I'm coming to get my vehicle.
Right on, brother. See ya. Now, how am I supposed to text you this phone number if you're going to keep calling me?
Because you want to hang up on somebody being a smart ass. Like I said, I got an officer I'm going to go talk to.
Hey,
I need the
fine.
address so I can come get my vehicle.
I'm trying to send that to
text
you.
him.
If you want to get the officer, by all means. If you need that officer's phone number, let me get that for you as well.
There.
I need the address to come get my vehicle is what I need. I got kids that I know where to
You
sit.
need to come.
He left you a voicemail too.
Hello, Jeff of Everything Auto. I know my rights. You got the right to tell me where my vehicle is so I can come and pay and get my vehicle. Or I will have the law with me along with a lawyer that shows there's no sign up here. So give me your address so I can come get the damn thing.
Big mad.
Just let me answer it next time he calls.
Everything Auto.
Can I have the address so I can come get my vehicle?
I texted you.
We text it to you. If you're done being disrespectful, then we'll talk.
It hasn't came through. There's no signs here. I done went through and took pictures of everything.
There's how did you find me if there's no signs?
There's a person here in the greenhouse that told me.
Then there's a sign right there with my number on it, correct? You've seen it.
Nope, there's no sign. I done went through and took pictures. There's a knockdown sign up front. There's no sign in the back. It looks like there were zip ties that's supposed to have been there. But that's beside the point. I'm not going to sit and argue with you. Where do I bring the $300 and get my vehicle?
Texted it to me.
We have texted you that address. That's not my problem. You don't have.
I wouldn't be calling.
Listen. If you're going to be disrespectful, then I'm hanging up. And the price goes up. Hey, the price goes up, the more of an asshole you're going to be. You got that?
Okay, well I just got that on recording too. What's the address?
It's $400 now. Bring cash or you don't get your truck.
Come on, it's $400 now.
Everything Auto.
I need to bring the $300 and get my vehicle. If there is no address, text it to my phone, please. My wife has her GPS out, like I was trying to say, so I can get my vehicle and get my children home.
Okay, I did text you the address.
Okay, all right, the front, and I did just get your text before I moved up here. This?
I don't have it.
Okay.
It did not come through.
Well, I'm sorry about that. Let me give it to you. Are you ready?
Thank you. That's what I just asked him for, was an address to put in my wife's GPS.
Can I give you the address?
Yes, you may. Redbone Way. Okay. How long? God damn it.
It's in Sevierville.
All right. We got it now. We appreciate your assistance.
Thank you.
And tell him to bring 400 because he ain't getting it. How are you, brother?
Not good, brother. I got a daughter with a diabetes and her fucking sugar's crazy. I'm aggravated.
No, I
I'm gonna show you a
understand.
picture of your signs. There's one sign that's supposed to be in the back. There's a zip tie on it, right?
Okay.
And then the front sign.
They're not my signs. They're the property owner's signs.
Okay, all right, the front, and I did just get your text before I moved up here. This is the location of the sign that my kids found.
Okay. I'm gonna tell you this. You're lucky the property owner didn't press charges for you rutting up his property. You parked that thing in the mud hole up there
My wife parked it.
on a piece of property, and you're lucky that he didn't call for destruction of property.
Well, my wife parked it there. That's my truck.
And that one was called for too. We were about to come back and get that one. You listen, guys. It's a you have
My
to
uncle
pay.
is the biggest record company on the East Coast. I get it. I understand.
And I'm just doing my job.
And I understand also signs posted. That property owner signs isn't properly posted. There's a lady there with the walkie-talkie. When we
Yep.
pulled in there, it was like, hey, is this a public place or is it what? She's like, oh no, there's no signs. You're good. Honestly, I thought maybe when I talked to you, it was you walking around looking for cars and you setting people up.
Let me ask you this: do you have a sign on your property that says you can't park on your front yard? No.
I'm also not a public. I'm not.
But
right
you see
there
what
on
I'm
the
coming
gravel
from.
side.
If I come parked in your front yard, you're gonna be pissed. You're gonna call somebody. There doesn't have to be a sign, brother. There's plenty of paid parking lots over there, and all you have to do is pay to park, and you know, without a doubt, you're 100% safe.
That's what we was trying to do, because I was paying that $20, but they told me.
Well, why didn't you do it?
They told me
Why are you here hassling and screaming at me, brother? I'm just trying to explain to you the situation.
Did I give them your ID or my ID? And
Who's on the registration?
Me.
And
when we did pick it up, I did see the sign standing up there in the corner. So I always check that whenever we pick up.
we
So
do
whenever
walk
that-
around.
whenever we were-
I showed him the pictures.
This
whenever we were
this
there to
video
pick up
camera.
the sign was up.
This video
So-
camera
That's good,
walks
well,
around the parking lot. It walks around the vehicle before we ever take it and before we ever release it. Everything gets videoed, everything on that property. And like I said, where you parked it at, you're super lucky he didn't call the police for rutting up his property.
Probably should have helped us for mowing his grass down for him.
Well-
She put it there. I was like, okay, I guess it's fine, because the lady was there with the
It wasn't even in
walkie-talkie.
gravel. You parked it in a field.
It was
The lady with the walkie-talkie was walking around. I was like, hey, are we good?
probably just some random person.
So,
She looked professional. I mean,
It wasn't, yeah, I don't know who it was.
so the registration in that vehicle is going to match this ID right here.
I'm lying to you right now. Yes, it's gonna match.
Okay.
And
And
they
then,
pulled up on my DMV file too.
and you brought the $300 in cash for the payment.
Yeah, I stopped at the ATM down there
Okay.
because that's all they let us have.
All right, I'm gonna make sure. All right, we're gonna make sure that matches, and we'll get you unloaded and get you out of here, brother. You have to understand, I don't enjoy doing this stuff. This is more of a pain in the ass. I've got a loaded truck right there. I've got your truck on my truck, so I've got 2 tow trucks tied up on a holiday weekend. This has, I could care less.
I got you, buddy.
Yeah, if you just want to pull that one forward, then I'm gonna nudge down the road right there.
I understand that, trust me. And I didn't mean to get attitude, it was just pissing me off because
No, I
didn't see no
understand.
signs. My daughter's sugar's high, my sugar's high, and I'm just like, damn, man.
No, if somebody took my car, I'd be pissed off too, man. I'm not.
No, I'm not that type of person. I understand the deal. But the point is that I literally walked around when we got there. And then I started seeing permits in windows, like little shit about some kind of equipment
Yep.
company or some kind of shit like that.
Yep.
And I was like,
Everybody,
okay.
yeah, everybody has to have that permit hanging or on their dash for that area over there, and it's a crazy area. It really is. I'm not gonna lie. We're over there day in and day out for the same. So you're not the only one, and you won't be the last one. I promise you.
no.
It's but I'm telling you, if you go back over there, pay to park. Unless you're over here in Pigeon Forge, it's way easier over here in Pigeon
We
Forge.
didn't want to park I didn't want to take 2 cars in the first place.
Yeah,
But it was life.
it is, man. Thank you, bro. Be safe. I'm gonna tie this thing back up, I guess, and then we're off YouTube. So, hey, you know, it is what it is. We try to stress the importance of parking in Gatlinburg, and you know, it's not our fault. And some people want to get super irate with us. Obviously, this guy was a little different story once he got here, but he's headed out with his vehicle now. He got. He didn't like it.
Supposed to get one.
Yeah, he's leaving in the other one we were supposed to go get. So he double parked. big mad, the guy, the illegal parking. So we're gonna come over here and unwind at the brewery and have some good food. And they've got a pretty cool band playing tonight. I think he might be a little drunk and forgot some of the words. Yep, just left Food City. Everything Auto's grocery getter. Check this thing out. We'll just pile it in there, in and amongst some fuel and some dollies and grocery getter.